Welcome to today's lesson. My name is Miss Oye and it's good to have you here. Today we'll be learning about middle sounds. Remember, we had done beginning sounds and ending sounds. Now we need to feel the sounds in the middle. So let's go. We have the word cat. I have k and t. There's something missing in the middle. Can you tell me what sound that should be? Now you need to listen to the word again. Cat. Cat. What do you think you hear right in the middle before t? Cat. What sound is that? What sound is that? Ah, fantastic. K-a-t. Cat. Ah, cat. Well done. We'll try a different word like tap. We have t and p. There's something missing in the middle. Can you tell me what sound that is? Tap. T-a-p. Tap. I'm going to switch it up a little. Now we have the word top. We already have t and p. T in the beginning and p at the end. So we have the word top. 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 What sound do you think is missing right there in the middle? Oh, fantastic. Good listening. Top. T-up. Top. Well done. So we'll try a different word. Sun. Sun. There's something missing in the middle. Sun. Think about it. Listen carefully. Sun. What sound do you think is missing in the middle? If you said you're correct. Well done. Sun. So now we want to try to spell the word wet. Wet. We have w and t. Wet. Wet. What sound do you hear in the middle? Wet. Okay. Wet. Well done. That's really good. I think it's time for you to try to spell a word. Now you know beginning sounds, ending sounds, and middle sounds. So we're going to spell the word dog. Dog. So what do you think is the beginning sound? Dog. Dog. What do you think the beginning sound is? D. Fantastic. And what's the ending sound? Dog. G. And now we're left with one sound. What's the middle sound? O. D. O. G. Dog. Well done. We'll try to spell a different word now. I have some sounds scrambled up here. Let's rearrange them. Rat. So what do you think the beginning sound would be? Rat. What's the beginning sound? If you said that's correct. At. What's the next sound in the middle? Rat. Ah, fantastic. So now we have and we're left with t at the end. Rat. Well done. See, I told you we'll spell. You've done great today. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye.